Hey guys, I'm Sam, and last year I had the amazing opportunity to sail on the coolest tall ship of them all, Atyla. Sailing on Atyla stands out for a couple of different reasons, and the first one being the boat itself. When you start learning about its history, the way it was built, and all the details that make it so beautiful, I mean, you feel like you're just traveling on a work of art. And as any sailor would say, the boat is alive, and so you develop such a special relationship with it. I like to see it, you know, the first boat you sail on is kind of like your first love. So I'm always gonna have that special place in Atyla in my heart. And the next thing on Atyla is the community. When I was there, we were 17 people from 10 different countries with ages ranging from 18 to 70 years old. So as you can imagine, it made for such a rich mix of different experiences, different lives, different ideas, different things and skills to share. Everyone was super welcoming and open, so since day one they felt like family, and on a boat relationships grow very fast, so I had such an amazing time with all these people. It was no wonder that we won the award for most dynamic crew at the end of the tall ship race. So it's hard to express in words how great of an experience that was, but I just encourage everyone to go out there, go see Atyla, go sail on there, meet the people. You'll love it.